I'm Nancy Ogbebor. You are definitely welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing great. Today I want to show you how I made this easy and simple recipe. If you want to see how I did this, continue watching.
So my pot is on the heat now, and I'm going to be using a very low heat for this, and I'm adding in my palm oil. Allow it to hot a bit. I'll be adding in my diced pepper, habanero pepper, onion, my grinded crayfish, and salt to taste. I'll be adding in my seasoning cube at this point. I'll be adding in my prawn. This is my shredded catfish, so that's going in now. This is my oil beans, and that will be going right in now. So I'll give this a stir to combine. At this point, my kitchen is scenting. So right now I'll be adding in my boiled yam, and I used meat stock to boil this yam. I'll give this a quick stir. This is a very quick and easy porridge recipe. So I'll be adding in my green now. You can also use pumpkin leaf for this. So I'll give this a quick stir. And look at how beautiful this is looking. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you have not subscribed till this time, please consider subscribing and touch the notification button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So this is our result, and this is how it's looking. Please drop a comment at the comment section what you feel about this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.